Imagine a home where luxury and sustainability blend seamlessly. Welcome to our journey through how to build a luxury prefab home with sustainable materials, a space where eco-conscious choices meet timeless design. Today, we'll explore stunning areas of this remarkable prefab home, each crafted to inspire and redefine modern living. Starting with the heart of comfort and connection, let's step into the living room, a space where sophistication meets serenity. Here, you'll find expansive glass walls inviting nature indoors, plush, eco-friendly furniture, and textures that feel as luxurious as they look. From earthy tones to bold modern accents, this living room sets the tone for a home that's equal parts warmth and wonder. Let's dive in. Step into a kitchen where culinary magic meets eco-friendly design. With bamboo cabinetry, recycled glass accents, and sleek stone countertops, this space is as functional as it is stylish. Natural light pours in through oversized windows, illuminating every corner of this thoughtfully crafted area. Energy-efficient appliances blend seamlessly with the minimalist layout, creating a harmonious balance between technology and nature. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen makes every moment feel indulgent. Let's explore the details that make this the ultimate hub of sustainable living. Prepare to unwind in a bedroom that feels like a sanctuary. This elegant space features a minimalist design with warm wood tones, natural textiles, and soft ambient lighting. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame breathtaking views, bringing a calming connection to the outdoors. Sustainable materials like bamboo flooring and eco-friendly linens create an inviting atmosphere that's both luxurious and responsible. With its harmonious blend of comfort and style, this bedroom is designed to make every night feel like a retreat. Let's uncover the features that make this room a dream come true. Take a bird's-eye view of modern design mastery. This prefab home's architecture balances clean geometric lines with eco-conscious materials like reclaimed wood and solar-paneled rooftops. From its compact footprint to its seamless integration with the surrounding landscape, every detail has been carefully crafted for both beauty and efficiency. Outdoor decks and green roofs add functionality while enhancing the home's sustainable appeal. The combination of natural textures and modern finishes makes this home a true architectural marvel. Let's take a closer look at how this structure redefines luxury living. Discover a bathroom where relaxation and sustainability converge. With its sleek fixtures, natural stone accents, and reclaimed wood paneling, this spa-inspired retreat exudes effortless elegance. A freestanding tub and rainfall shower promise indulgent moments, while eco-friendly lighting enhances the serene ambiance. From soft, neutral tones to handcrafted details, every element is designed to calm the senses and uplift the spirit. This is more than a bathroom. It's a sanctuary for recharging and renewing. Let's dive into the soothing details of this luxurious space. Gather around a dining area that's as inviting as it is eco-friendly. A reclaimed wood table takes center stage, surrounded by sleek chairs crafted from sustainable materials. Pendant lighting casts a warm glow, creating the perfect atmosphere for intimate meals and lively conversations. Large windows frame picturesque views, bringing the outdoors inside and connecting you to nature. With its thoughtful design and timeless style, this dining area transforms every meal into an occasion. Let's pull up a chair and take a closer look. venture into an outdoor space that feels like a natural extension of the home. Wooden decks, native landscaping, and cozy seating areas create an oasis of relaxation and connection. A solar-powered water feature adds a soothing touch, while eco-friendly lighting sets the perfect evening mood. Whether you're lounging by the fire pit or enjoying an alfresco meal, this outdoor retreat offers a seamless blend of luxury and sustainability. It's a space that invites you to unwind and recharge in nature's embrace. Let's explore this backyard paradise in detail.